The formidable engines are assembled here in Affalterbach. In the state-of-the-art production facility in Affalterbach, the engines are assembled by hand, each engine by a single craftsman. Data for each engine block is scanned into a computer. The AMG tracing system electronically tracks each phase of the engine's creation. Each and every component is registered and can be identified later if necessary. We follow the assembly of the main bearing and the oil injection nozzles that ensure the engine is perfectly lubricated. The crankshaft is installed, which transfers the maximum torque of 630 Newton meters to the transmission. The pistons are installed with great care. Each piston is checked once more to ensure the piston ring sits perfectly. The AMG trace system not only monitors each individual component, it also ensures that each of the bolts is installed properly and records the torque. This measure aids the technician and helps prevent errors. Every turn of the screw is documented by the AMG trace system. The technician pays special attention to the crankshaft, connecting rod and piston to ensure smooth running. Once the silicone sealant has been applied, the crankcase is closed and the chain drive is connected. The sealants for the oil pan are applied with the help of computers. After the cylinder head has been screwed on, the camshaft is installed. It enables a longer stroke and better valve timing. The technical expertise that goes into the camshaft is especially crucial to the performance of the AMG engine. Precision instruments make it easy to set the exact timing for the engine. Now it's time to test the engine block for leaks using environmentally friendly technology. Once the induction module has been installed, the assembling technician affixes his signature to the engine to attest to its quality. Finally, on the test stand, the mechanical systems, sensor inputs, ignition, and fuel injection undergo additional tests to ensure the engine will run problem-free for years to come.